what you doing, girl, with all that, with all that?
Oh, Lord. What's up, y'all? It's Leah, and I'm back with another video. So today, I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max in 64 gigabytes. So previously, I had the XS Max in 64 gigs. So yeah, I just went ahead and upgraded. It was just a $20 upgrade from Sprint. So cool. So I just want to point out a difference in the boxes. So this year's iPhone, the pictures of the back of the phone, I guess to like show them through cameras. And then last year's was the front of the phone. So right there, that tells you the front of the phone has not changed at all. It's literally just about the cameras. So as you can see, I have the silver one. Oh, well, I'm gonna just go ahead and open it so y'all can see. It's already set up and everything. I've been using it for almost a month now. I've had this for so long, and I'm just not making the video. I'm sorry. But yeah, here I am with the review video. So out of the box, you get designed by Apple. You got your hello, your guide on how to use the phone if you don't know already, stickers, warranty, SIM card tool, all of the same things that you get every year, as well as the wired earbuds. But I don't use those because I have AirPods. So the one new thing is the charging brick. It's USB Type-C instead of the USB cable. And oh my God, does it charge so much faster. Like, this is the fastest charger ever. Like, before, it would take my phone all night to charge from 0 to 100. It just takes my phone like a good hour, if not 45 minutes to charge. So yeah, let's go ahead and tour the phone. So straight up unlocking it, my lock screen is very simple. It's just a little pink background that I found off of Pinterest. Opening the phone. So the way that I have my phone set up, I basically have folders to organize all of my apps. So here I have my Apple folder. All the miscellaneous Apple apps that already come pre-installed, I put in here. Yeah. Apple Watch. I have a Series 4 Apple Watch. I find it so unnecessary to get the Series 5, so I'm not going to do that. I got the Series 4. The apps that I use for it, I got the Watch app, the Health app, Activity, Sleep, and this new app that I haven't tried yet. It's called Converse. Like, you're supposed to be able to hear what someone else is saying, like in a foreign language. It'll translate it on your watch or whatever. But yeah, I also have notes where I keep my notes and reminders. Lifestyle, I just kind of have, like, once again, random shit in there. Sprint. I also have my music folder where I have Pandora, Musi, rest in peace Musi. That was my favorite YouTube streaming app, but now I'm using Music Player, which is okay. It's all right. TV. So when Star was on, I was using the Fox app. When I was into Grownish, I was watching Freeform. I got Nick on there for my son. I got Netflix and then SmartCast because I have the Vizio Smart TV. I got lots of games that aren't even like installed on my phone. They're just there for decoration. All of my editing apps are in one folder. All of my shopping and, you know, expense apps, and then business apps, you know, because I be looking for a job. I need more money. So yeah. Yeah. And then everything else, like I have all of my social media apps in this page, and then all of my like business apps on one page. My music keeps pausing and I don't know why. I'm on Pandora, y'all. Pandora be acting so ghetto. This is ghetto. I gotta subscribe to Apple Music. It's like I already got all the Apple products. I might as well have Apple Music too. But yeah, so this is a 64 gig phone. Let me see how much space I've used up on it already. Because like when I set up this phone, I basically like you put the two phones together, your old phone and your new phone, and then like everything that's on the old phone it transfers. So basically you got two of the same phone in your hand. So previously, like I had Chris Brown wallpapers and everything because I had just went to his concert about 2 months ago. So my phone was like, all Team Breezy. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change my wallpaper. New phone, new wallpaper. So yeah. But all of my apps I kept. Like I didn't delete anything off of here. So let me see. Yeah, my storage is like gone. But yeah, I take hella videos and shit, so that's probably why. It's mostly my photos. Let's check Instagram, shall we? Let's go through Instagram. We really haven't did. All my life, I thought Jackie, Harry, and Kim Whitley was the same person. Comment down below if you deadass thought all your life that they was the same person. Like, I still see no difference. They're the same person. I don't care. Yeah. Yep. So nothing too exciting. I think my phone is pretty typical. Oh, except for this. Okay, so in my widgets, I get bored. I like to play games. So this is Steve. I play Steve when I get bored. Yeah, high score. And then I have my daily quote app. Today's quote, well, for this hour anyway, because it updates every hour. I get a little notification. This one says, never underestimate the power of an unlimited being. You are unlimited. You can do whatever you want, okay? Always believe in yourself because you are special. You are you. You are the only you. But yeah. So that's pretty much everything. That is it for this video. Very, very quick. Also, if you want to know where my case is from, this case is from Casemate. Oh, it's on this side. Casemate. It's their iridescent tough groove case. I love this case, but the only thing is if you're into like pop sockets and having rings on the back of your phone, they will not stick. Like it's gonna fool you. They'll stick for the first day, but after about 3 days of having a pop socket, it completely came off and won't stick back on. So yeah. Taking the case off the phone though, so the finish on this phone is matte. The Apple logo and the camera module, those are the like glossy parts of the phone, and then the rest of it is matte. Now the regular iPhone 11, it's flip-flop. So this is matte, and then the rest of the phone is glossy. I actually prefer the matte finish on the phone because for one, it doesn't feel as slippery as my XS Max did. This one is like if I wasn't afraid of breaking this phone, I would wear it without a case. Completely 100% because it's just so clean looking. Like I wanted to get the green at first, but I went with white because this is just too clean. Like that is just too clean. But yeah, my XS Max was also in silver, so at first I was like, I don't want to get the same color again, but I've come to find that I actually truly do love the white silver iPhones. I'm currently filming on my XS Max. I really wish that I had like a different camera so I could like hold up both and show you both at the same time. But all in all, they're the exact same phone. Like the front of the phone is the exact same notch. You've seen the reviews. You know. The only thing different would be the camera module. Oh, and then hold on. Let me go and open up the camera app. So taking a photo, you have 3 different angles. You have the regular view. You have the wide angle view, and then zoomed in, as well as for video, you can zoom out with the wide angle, zoom in. Slow-mo now comes in front face, and you can take a slow feed. And also, you have time lapse, which I've never in my life used time lapse. portrait mode. If you have an iPhone 10, then you already know how this looks. Black and white, studio, contour, blah, blah, blah. Panorama now also comes in that wide angle feature. So yeah, I believe that is pretty much it for this video. That is the only difference. Not too much of an upgrade. So $20 more on my phone bill, is it worth it? I guess. I don't really care. Am I gonna upgrade to the new iPhone next year? Definitely, because I hear that that's supposed to be, you know, big house to the iPhone. So I will definitely be copping that. And that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. I will be pushing out more videos.